All right, now you got your tables and graphs made. You got your worksheet saved. Uh, when you need a table for a new problem, just copy. That's edit. If you right click, you can copy right here, or just hit Control C on the table right there, and come down here and Control V, or right click and paste. But you need a new table before you get to the next problem. Okay, so what we've got to do is we've got to insert a graph. So I'm going to highlight here, insert graph, come up to the top, and where it says picture, click on picture, and you'll go to your home drive and it'll be there. For me, I've saved these things. I've done a bunch of them, and mine are in download. So I'm going to find the graph that I'm looking for, and then when I right click on it, or excuse me, up here at picture tools, I can click on picture tools and click on size. It'll let me size this stuff, and I believe it's 21% that I want these pictures to be at, so that you can save. Now look here, my formatting got messed up, so all I have to do is hit return. That goes down, and to get that in the middle, I just highlight it and click middle, and it gets all back there in the middle. Again, this is why the problem is up top. I noticed the base is 8, so I want to change that to 8. Again, the the multiplier is 1, so that means everything else will be the same. We want to insert a table right here, so I highlight Insert Table, go to Insert Picture. Again, you've saved it wherever it is that you've saved it, and I believe this thing said Picture Tools, that you needed to set the size at 57%, and that'll keep all of our pages down to one page. I've got it set up where there's 2 problems a page, and there's 12 problems, so when you print, it'll only be 6 pages. Don't forget to key in your name, click in the header and key your name in here, and it'll set the date to whatever it's. Today is the 17th, so I can change that to 17 right there. All right, and then what happens is, as you go down through here, you start to see what these tables mean, and you start to see what the graphs mean, and how the asymptote is always y equals 0. The domain is always y, all real numbers. And then the range will be dependent on whether the graph opens up or whether the graph opens down. The base determines where it's an exponential growth, and this one is an exponential growth. This y equals 8 to the x is exponential growth. So I would go ahead and delete this information on exponential decay. Again, our goal is to try to keep it all into one page right here.